Hey YouTube, so this is B-Bomb, and for those of you who've been to this channel, you know that I go out and I do adventures, mostly in my Jeep. I just recently got a motorcycle, and I'm starting to learn how to ride and get comfortable at it. I'm not going to hide that I'm a pretty new rider, but I still want to go out and have my adventures. But making adventure videos means I've got to learn some things. So this next couple of series of videos has been about me learning how to make videos. So the Red Barn video a little bit ago, that's kind of the, I'll go in and I'll see something, and I kind of showed you the see something, which is much different than my Jeep videos. But when you're on a motorcycle and you're trying to make these YouTube videos, it's you've got to figure out where you put the cameras. So I'm kind of learning this. So this week I had to go get new glasses. Hey, do you like my glasses? I figured I'd make you better videos if I could actually see the video when I'm editing them. And I just turned it into a ride. Now I'm going to hit several of the spots that I've made previous videos on. And we, just riding around North Alabama, got a little bit of a ride in. So check this out. In this next sequence, I'm riding to Florence. I didn't think to video getting my glasses. I probably would have made more sense, huh? Oh well. And after I went and got my glasses, I decided, hey, I'm going to go ahead and keep driving around. I headed on over to Key Cave. Now you need to go out and you need to watch, I think I called it, I Lost My Drone. But it was based out of Key Cave. And Key Cave is this awesome, I guess, wildlife preserve, refuge. And Key Cave is a great little, it's very pretty out that way. But I've made some videos on it. Go watch it. I'll put a link in here somewhere. I lost a drone. It was fun. I went and hiked it. But Key Cave is hidden way back out off the beaten path, and bats fly out of it. I have never been there when the bats flew out of it. Doesn't matter. I went and I rode around. And then just enjoyed it. Got some good videos. Learned a little bit about my setup. Kept moving. I feel like I need to edit all this talking out. And after I got done with Key Cave, or driving out there and getting a little bit of gravel grinding in, I headed back out. I thought, hey, let's swing by McFarland. And now this is something I had never seen out in Florence. I've seen boats, but this boat was pretty cool. Check this out. And from there, I just drove home. Came and checked to see how my videos did. So what do you think of the, So what do you think of the videoing in this? I'm trying to figure out what I think. So the setup had a Insta360 on the front and a GoPro on the face. I found there was an issue with the GoPro where I forgot to turn it on and off. The Insta360 was mostly pretty good, but it didn't really want to get tall at speed because it's just not a great setup for at speed to have it tall with the, anyways, it's the whole thing. But it was alright. You know, I learned some things on all of it. Let me know what you guys think. Until next time, you guys be good. Bye.